Hi, third grade. It's Mrs. Thompson here with you again on Wednesday, Hump Day. We are learning strategies to fluently add and subtract within 1,000. Our I can statement today is I can use a strategy to accurately combine values. Today's strategy are two, basically making 10 and plus 10. Yesterday we learned about doubles plus 1. Today you're going to take out your math journal and you are going to copy the anchor chart that's on the next page. The Avid note-taking tool we're going to use today is the two-column note-taking tool. Making 10 and plus 10. On the left side, we have strategies for 10 plus. And on the right side, we have all of the making 10 problems. Over here, you can tell when we add a 10, we are just really taking the place of a 10. So here are the very basic ones here that we all know. 9 plus 10, 10 plus 4, 3 plus 10. But then over here, I kind of put some to make us think a little bit. 90 plus 10. So what's happening to the tens place there once we add those together? Then we also have 10 plus 40. So what's happening to that tens place? And so it's just helping us to learn these basic facts and to remember them as we are adding numbers when they get a little bit bigger. So go ahead and pause the video so that you're able to copy the notes for making 10 and plus 10. Awesome work. So if you know making 10s and plus 10, then let's solve some of these. And again, what we are learning is we're learning how to be fluent. And so being fluent means how quickly can I add these problems? And remember, with the power of yet, we may not be able to add these within a minute yet. But the more we practice, the quicker we get. So go ahead and pause the video and you can go ahead and solve some of the problems that we have here. All right, how did you do? All right, so we're going to go back to our dice rolling game again. And again, if you're live, you can play this with your class. If you are at home, you may pause the video and play and go to the website by clicking on the link that you, for the plus 10, you would just roll a dice and then add that number to 10. You can even do 2 dice. So I have 2 dice here and I'm rolling and we have 44. You just add that to 10. You can even go up to 3 and then also add 10 to those numbers as well to make it a little bit more challenging. So you can pause the video and play that game for a little bit. All right, it is quiz time. So just again, we are looking at fluency. So we want to make sure that we can add these numbers together as quickly as we possibly can. Good luck. See you all tomorrow.